While it is true that there are many people who are searching for loan solutions in the internet, the same cannot be said about those who are looking for personal loans online. Hence, if you have a need for a loan, then you must have already done some research on this topic, to ensure that you are choosing the best one for your needs. You might have read that people are looking for personal loans online, and there is also a story about how payday loans, which have been made easier and safer online by the new rules in the banking sector, are expected to make personal loans online safe as well. However, both the stories mentioned above are only positive aspects of these processes. Let us see what's wrong with online personal loans. The first reason is that you must put up collateral. If you fail to do so, then you can never get approved. But the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the words collateral is a lawsuit, and it can become a really big hassle. If your credit score is already low, then you have better choices, because if you were not able to post collateral, then you can have no chance of getting the loan. Some other loans include credit cards, house mortgages, car loans, and many others. If you have a bad credit history, then these loans will simply show you as an outcast and you will have problems finding employment or loans in the future. However, if you are aware of the fact that you cannot get a loan without collateral, then you might think about getting a low interest rate in order to get a loan without getting collateral. However, it is very difficult to make your loan more attractive when you are in such a position, and the good news is that online lending companies do not consider collateral in their decisions. You will also notice that the loan quotes you will see in the internet, or maybe online banking portals, will be the cheapest ones. These companies take the same loans for each individual and they offer different interest rates for each loan. So, the overall cost of the loan will be the same. This means that you may not get the money you need even though you pay a lower interest rate, just because you do not have any collateral. Another thing that you should understand is that there are many companies that charge a fee for loan processing. They charge a fee for filing and approving your loan application, processing it, and for collection of funds. Even if you find the loan quote very cheap, but you are not aware of this, then you might get scammed or cheated. It would be quite strange for someone to look for personal loans online, and then not check out the service of the company, to make sure that it offers you the best possible services, with a guarantee of repayment. So, make sure that you don't fall into this trap. The next reason why online lending companies offer you a very low interest rate, is because they do not take a risk on your repayment capabilities. You can get the same service from many other places, where the interest rate is often much higher than what you will get from the online lending companies. The reason why online lending companies are willing to offer you the same services as those offered by other places, but they are not willing to promise you a fast payment process, is because they are still afraid of having their money in danger. If your lender becomes aware of your identity, then they will lose their money and the company they deal with will lose all the money that they have invested. To sum it up, the most convenient and the easiest way of getting money is by applying to online lending companies, because there is no need for you to post collateral, no need for a document proving your income, and there is no risk of losing your money because of a mistake. Get the loan quote online today.